I love it when these carob pods drop from the sky. We have these handsome carob trees here. Some are male, some are female, and the females start producing these lovely carob pods really late summer, heading on to Easter time. So the pod itself has a very, very sweet, crunchy, chewy encasing, and then inside we have these seeds. The carob has 8 times more calcium than milk. It is extremely nutritious. I love eating them. They're like dried dates in a way, very, very high in energy and keeps me going. We're familiar with them as a chocolate substitute, so people who are diabetic, they can actually cope with the sweetness of the pod itself. But it's just yummy for all of us, really. Now, the seed inside are equal in size and weight, and so no matter which pod you choose, you always get this equality. So in the olden days, the jewelers of Jerusalem, they would use these seeds to weigh their gold and their diamonds. 14 carob seed is 14 carat. These seeds, and whatever I don't eat of the carob, I'm actually going to give them to the chickens because they love it, and the calcium really helps them laying good, strong eggs. So yeah, please come and enjoy our carob trees, not only for the shade, but for these delicious pods they produce.